Greetings traders, it's Thursday, May 31st. The news has come out and I've taken a short position here and I'll come back. Okay, I'm just going to go for 30 ticks on this trade. So my 30 tick exit is set down here to 67.44 for 30 ticks. I'll come back. Okay, it's almost to the exit here. I'll come back once it's made it. Okay, I am out for 30 ticks. Okay, so I'm done for today. Today was a little bit unorthodox because the news came out today, which it normally doesn't do. And I don't actually have a trade, a code 2 trade for this day. I was using code 1 entries to just normally trade without using a code 2. So anyway, managed to make a few ticks. And so I'm all done for today, and I'll be back for tomorrow, for Friday. And of course, for you charting subscribers, I'll be back to chart out today and also to predict the trade for Thursday, or I mean for Friday. So should be an easy day on Friday. Anyway, I'm going to get going. Hope you traders out there are doing well in your trading. And I really hope for all you charting subscribers out there that the service is really helping you. And for all of you code traders out there that know what you're doing, hope you're doing great. I will see everybody tomorrow. Take care. Happy trading.